Welcome back again in our mathematics class. So today we are going to learn the chapter 4. Today we are going to recapitulate the chapter from the first, and we will discuss on the common errors of this chapter. Okay, so I will give you first the recapitulation lesson, then I will give you the common errors. I will discuss the common error about this chapter. So must watch it till end, and there is a homework for you. You can do it in your copy and you can write. Let us recapitulate what we have learned in this chapter. So first thing, we have learned lot of things like primitive measurement and modern age measuring tools. All these things we have learned, but the main thing we need to know that as we are doing long and short, so long and short is related to length. So we need to know the standard unit of measuring length. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. It is its short form is small m, and the smaller units are centimeter and millimeter. The smaller units are centimeter and millimeter. The highest unit of length in metric system is kilometer. The highest unit of length in metric system is kilometer, and the other units of length in metric systems are, see, I have written all the units in descending order. Descending order means according to their position. See, kilometer is the highest unit and millimeter is the lowest unit. So I have arranged the units in higher to lower. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. You need to learn this table first. Means what are the different units are there in the metric system: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. These are the different units related to metric system. Now let us learn about the unit conversion. See, the rule is when you want to convert lower unit to higher unit, that means suppose you are converting one unit, means you are changing one unit meter to kilometer, that time you should divide. And if we want to convert higher unit to lower unit, that time we should multiply. Already you have learned the ladder method. There also I have told the same thing. So here I have written it that when we want to convert lower unit to higher unit, that time we have to divide, and higher unit to lower unit, that time we have to multiply. See the diagram, you can easily understand that gap between two different units place is 10. So when we multiply, we need to divide it by 10 into each gaps. Okay. Here I have given one example, and I have shown you that what are the common errors we are finding when we are checking this your copies. We are going through your copies. See, in first example I have written the sum, and in second example I have written the proper one. So you have to tell me in the comment section that why this first one is wrong. Another example. Here also I have done two sum, and the first sum is incorrect and the second one is correct. Why it is incorrect and why it is correct, you need to find out, and you have to write it in my comment section that why the first one is incorrect and why the second one is correct. See, the question is arrange in column and add. And 30 km 340 meters 6 meter, 5 kilometer. So you know that what we should do, what we need to do for this kind of question. First of all, we need to write the how many different units are involved in this question, and you need to make that number of columns, and you need to write the proper numbers in proper unit place. Then you have to add it. If there is any unmentioned place, that place you should fill up by 0. So what is the problem in one more thing? In what problem? For this chapter, means long and short, do not start with number of. When you are writing the statement, that do not start with number of. You can use, instead of number of, you can use distance, or you can use height, or you can use length according to the question. But do not write number of. I think I have checked lot of copies, and this mistake is common mistake I have found. Also, must write the final answer. Final answer means after calculation part, after writing the statement part, you have to write the final answer. Okay, and must mention the proper unit in the final answer. Means which unit will be the right one. Better if you can write it in standard form, that will be better. Like 3,350 meter is the answer. Then you can write it in 3 km 350 meter. Now just check your homework today. You can solve it, and you can write the answer in my comment section. The first question is 1 kilometer equals to dash into 1000 centimeter. Second question is 300 meter equals to dash hectometer. 450 meter equals to dash centimeter. Divide 340 meter by 2. And the last one, fifth question. 12,450 meter equals to dash kilometer dash meter. So now you can write the answer in my comment section. Okay, so thank you all, and must write the answer in my comment section. I also need to know that how much you have learned.